S23 Ultra Samsung Galaxy. The best photos.
Ever wondered what you should expect from a flagship smartphone? Today, we're diving into the world of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, a gadget that's rewriting the definition of flagship. With its extraordinary 200MP camera, the S23 Ultra is more than just a phone. It's a canvas for your creativity, a tool for capturing memories in stunning clarity. It boasts of photographic advancements that are a game-changer, taking smartphone photography to a whole new level. And, with the power of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip behind it, it offers the pinnacle of Android performance. Truly, it's a marvel of technology. Imagine the possibilities of a 200MP camera. Picture capturing details that your eyes fail to notice, and enjoy the freedom to bring those details to focus. With the Galaxy S23 Ultra, you're not just taking photos, you're creating memories. The camera takes 16 pixels and merges them into one, creating images that are significantly brighter and more detailed. The technology used not only enhances the quality, but also the depth and texture of your photos. In addition to this, the device boasts a full 200MP mode. This feature offers users extraordinary liberty to crop, reframe, and transform their pictures without losing any details, providing unprecedented freedom to crop and reframe pictures. Furthermore, the Galaxy S23 Ultra boasts a sharper 12MP front camera. This camera, with its advanced lens and high pixel count, offers users impressive clarity and detail in their selfies, making it the perfect tool for capturing memories or video calling. Additionally, the phone comes equipped with a display that has been specifically tailored for S Pen usage. This unique feature allows for smooth and precise navigation, whether you're jotting down notes, sketching out ideas, or simply browsing through your apps. But what truly sets this device apart is the inclusion of the exclusive Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. This powerful processor not only enhances the overall system performance, but also excels in terms of graphics. It's so powerful that it outperforms even the iPhone in terms of graphics performance. Upon first glance, the Galaxy S23 Ultra's design stands out, capturing immediate attention. The smartphone features an aesthetic that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. A major aspect of this design is the prominent back cameras, significantly larger than those on previous models. They not only add to the phone's sleek appeal, but also promise superior photo and video quality. The display, too, has been crafted with meticulous attention to detail. It's flatter than before, with a subtle curvature to the expansive 6.8-inch panel. This tasteful design nuance enriches the device's premium aura and augments the comfort of using the S Pen, the brand's signature, yet this curvature isn't devoid of challenges. For instance, it might make it slightly challenging to pinpoint items that are located on the display's extreme edges. However, the curve can make it slightly challenging to target items on the display's extreme edges. The Galaxy S23 Ultra also raises the bar in durability. This exceptional device has taken the smartphone industry by storm, with its cutting-edge features and stellar performance. One standout highlight is its unique durability. The designers behind this tech marvel thought ahead, understanding the need to protect a device so precious. As a result, it's become the pioneer in its class, being the first phone ever to incorporate Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus 2. This revolutionary material is engineered to provide unparalleled protection against scrapes and falls, ensuring the pristine condition of your phone. Despite this, to guarantee absolute security, it's always wise to invest in additional protection. That's where the best Galaxy S23 Ultra cases come in. These cases are designed to offer comprehensive protection, covering every nook and cranny. But investing in one of the best Galaxy S23 Ultra cases is advisable to fully protect your device. When considering aesthetics, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is made available in 4 unique and distinct colors: Phantom Black, Green, Cream, and Lavender. Each of these color options has been carefully selected to cater to a wide range of user preferences. Phantom Black is a classic, sleek choice, designed for those who appreciate the understated elegance that black brings. Green is a vibrant color option that is sure to stand out and make a statement. The cream color offers a soothing, neutral, and versatile shade that can easily match any style or occasion. Lastly, the lavender color provides a subtle elegance, perfect for those who prefer a softer, more feminine touch. Its design isn't just about style, it also incorporates practicality. The design takes extra care in resisting fingerprints, providing users not only with an aesthetically pleasing phone, but also with one that stays clean and smudge-free. The S23 Ultra still features a SIM card slot, a feature absent in the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This slot is strategically positioned at the bottom, making it easily accessible, unlike many other smartphones. Samsung has made a conscious effort towards environmental sustainability with the S23 Ultra. Of the key elements of this eco-conscious design is the use of more recycled materials in its construction. The S Pen inner cover and the bottom speaker module are ingeniously created out of discarded fishing nets. The side and volume keys are made from repurposed water barrels. Moreover, the SIM tray is crafted using recycled aluminum, further advancing their green initiative. This model not only boosts your tech game, but also champions a sustainable future. The sustainability effort of Samsung with the S23 Ultra truly stands out, setting a new precedent in the smartphone industry. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a flagship smartphone that pushes the boundaries of what's possible. This majestic gadget is not just a tool, it's an experience, an epitome of technological innovation. It epitomizes the perfect blend of style and performance. Its stellar camera stands as a testament to Samsung's dedication to provide a supreme photography experience that competes with professional-grade cameras. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip beats at its heart, augmenting the phone's functionality speed. Sporting a design that is both aesthetically pleasing and robust, it is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. It doesn't merely match expectations, it transcends more than a phone. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a game changer. It's not just a phone, it's a revolution in your pocket.